मान्य सभासदों, मान्य उप सभापति जी।
नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार, 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 नमस्कार। Now, calling attention to the matter of urgent public importance. Sri Vijay Jawaharlal Darda. Vijay Darda. Attention, Vijay Darda and Subbarama Reddy to call the attention of the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to raise the level of air pollution in the country, particularly in the metropolitan cities. Mr. Vijay Darda, are you ready to call the attention of the Minister? Vijay Darda is not there. Oh, Vijay Darda is standing. Are you raising Vijay Darda? Then Sri Subbarama Reddy. They are not calling the attention. Then what is the? No.
Let me distribute.
What can I do?
The Ministry of
Unless they call
Forest, Climate Change,
unless they call the attention. No. Unless they call the attention, there is no way.
Sir,
Those who are given notice, they are not calling the attention. They are not raising it. This is very unfortunate.
sir,
That is very unfortunate.
sir,
What do I do?
sir,
I am not able to.
सर SC/ST जो है वो ऑलरेडी
yeah.
मिनिस्टर ने मूव किया हुआ है SC/ST
In that case,
SC/ST is already moved by the minister.
yeah. What is the next in the agenda?
Yeah. SC/ST.
No. Where is the list of business? उसमें क्या है?
First
Whistleblower.
Sir, SC/ST.
I am not able to. Yes, Bal Gopal, what do you want to say? Bal Gopal, use the mic, Bal Gopal. Bal Gopal's mic, yes.
Sir, as per the list of business.
Let me listen to Bal Gopal. I will call you also.
As per the list
Raja, I
of
will call
business.
you. Let me listen to Bal Gopal.
Sir, as per the list of business, whistleblowers bill is the first one. And yesterday, even though the minister moved the SC/ST bill, it was not accepted by the House. It was not accepted. The motion was not accepted by the House. Motion is passed, so that bill is not introduced. And whistleblowers is in the list. It is the first bill. If you are taking any bill, whistleblowers is to be taken first, sir.
Yeah, that is because you are right. In the list of business,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
yes, in the list of business,
sir.
it is the bill further to amend the Whistleblowers Protection Act 2000. That is in the list of business. I am taking up that. I go on the list of business.
No. सर ये SC/ST कल SC/ST जो है वो ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ने मूव कर दिया है और मुझे लगता है कि SC/ST पहले देना चाहिए क्योंकि सर जो है वो सबकी सहमति है कि SC/ST पे अट्रॉसिटी का इशू है और
But why did you put your list of business like this?
चर्चा चिंता व्यक्त की थी.
Why did you put the list of business like this? No, in the list of business.
I am requesting you.
Why did you put that?
It's all right. I am requesting you कि please take SC/ST और then whistleblower.
Yes, Shiva. Louder. Tiruchi Shiva, please. Tiruchi Shiva, your voice.
In the list of business should be taken as per order.
is not there.
The first list of business is only whistleblower bill, sir. We have no contention against the second bill, but the whistleblower bill has been listed as the first one.
Yeah, it
And
is there.
Yeah,
It is there.
but this has to be, sir.
It is there. Okay, Honorable LOP. Honorable LOP.
Minister has said that we take SC/ST. I have said that SC/ST will be passed in this session, but not in the den. There will be a full-fledged discussion at an appropriate time, but we don't want such an important issue to be discussed or passed in this den. It's very important, and opposition is equally important. We are rather more concerned, but not in the den. We have another 2 weeks to go, 1.5 weeks to go. Maybe in the course of this session, we will definitely cooperate insofar as that bill is concerned, but not in the den.
Yes, Siddharam Yechuri. Siddharam Yechuri.
Sir, in our house we have a tradition of not passing any legislative business in a din and in a disturbance. Now, SC/ST bill is something we are all committed to. I want that to be passed. I want that to be passed when the house is in order.
That is what LOP also said.
Whatever he may say, I am saying our position. But the point, sir, is I want to ask the government why
Please listen to him. Please listen to him.
Knowing the priority of this bill, when all of us are agreed on it, why in the list of business have you put it as second bill to be considered? Why are you playing these games? Please tell me. We are all ready. We are all ready to do it. We are all ready to do it. But why have you listed in this legislative business, revised business today, that whistleblowers comes first, and then this is scheduled after that is over? And after the discussion on the first bill is over and it is passed. That means not today. It's only been listed for formality. Now, what is the government's intention? I don't understand. We want this bill, but not in the din, sir. And this is an issue which is agitating all of us. You come from a state, sir, that we also experienced the first case of misuse of central authority over the state government. Now we see what is happening in Delhi. Now this is something that cannot be accepted. It cannot be tolerated. Arunachal. Delhi, I am saying because we are all sitting here. Sir, I want this to go on record. You have been in this house for a long time. You know parliamentary procedures. Does any government of the day ever do such things which can have the potential of disrupting a sitting session of the house? Sir, is this something that has to be done today? Sir, even for you, sir, for common sense, I am saying it is something to be done today.
सर देखिए, सर जो सीताराम येचुरी जी कह रहे हैं या ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन कहना चाहते हैं, उनका कहना है कि हम दिन में कोई चीज पास नहीं करेंगे, तो दिन हमने नहीं किया है, हमने ये दिन यहाँ नहीं पैदा किया है, दिन जो है वो इनके द्वारा पैदा किया गया है। आप दिन खत्म करिए, जो बिल है उन पर भी डिस्कशन करिए, जो इश्यूज है उस पर भी डिस्कशन करिए, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो डिस्कशन नहीं चाहते, डिस्टर्बेंस चाहते हैं, और इसलिए जो है वो पूरे के पूरे काम को डिस्टर्ब करना, पूरी तरह से जो है वो सदन की कार्रवाई को डिस्टर्ब करना एक चीज। दूसरी चीज जो सीताराम येचुरी जी कह रहे हैं कि कोई भी सरकार जो है वो इस तरह का काम नहीं करेगी। यस, हमने कोई ऐसा काम नहीं किया है जिसकी वजह से कि देश का फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर, देश की संघीय ढांचे पर किसी तरह का कोई नुकसान हो। हम कमिटेड है देश के संघीय ढांचे के प्रति। सीताराम येचुरी जी को अगर लगता है कि सदन की कार्रवाई ठीक से चलनी चाहिए, तो उन्हें सदन के लोगों से अपील करनी चाहिए कि वो दिन खत्म करें और कार्रवाई शुरू करें। हम तो रात में 12 बजे तक बैठने को तैयार हैं।
हम तैयार हैं, हम जवाब देंगे। आप जवाब सर, हम सरकार से यही कहना चाहते हैं, हम कोऑपरेट करना चाहते हैं। सर, हम लोग सब कोऑपरेट करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन अगर ऐसे एजेंडा अगर हाउस के बाहर इस तरीके का काम करे, वो राज्यों के अधिकारों को कुचलने का काम करे, तो वो आप क्या करेंगे सर?
सर ये करप्शन का इशू है, करप्शन के इशू पर पॉलिटिक्स होनी चाहिए। क्या आप करप्शन को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहते हैं? क्या अगर करप्शन का कोई मुद्दा है तो करप्शन के मुद्दों पर कोई बात नहीं करना चाहता? जो करप्ट होगा उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगी, क्योंकि दिल्ली के सत्ता के गलियारे से सत्ता के खिलाफों का सवाल करना हमारा संकल्प है।
और विधेयक को हत्या को ये प्रतिपादित भी कर रहा है और ये कह रहा है कि अत्यधिक महत्वपूर्ण है ये विधेयक, ये पास होना चाहिए। तो सदन को शांत करने का काम इनके हाथ में है, सदन को शांत करें और आज ही इस पर चर्चा करके इसको पास करा दे। क्या गारंटी है कि कल ये स्थिति निर्मित नहीं होगी? अगर ये महत्वपूर्ण विधेयक कल भी ऐसे ही चलेगा तो इसके साथ तो अन्याय होगा। इसलिए मैं निवेदन करता हूँ आपसे कि सदन को शांत करने के लिए आप अपील करें, वो शांत हो जाए और चर्चा कर ले।
Now, see, Honorable LOP and Sri Yechuri ji and all are agreeing that SC/ST bill is important, that it has to be passed, and if everybody is agreeing, they said it will be passed in this session, then why not now? If the shouting members can go back to their seat, we can take up both bills now. Both are important bills. That is a whistleblower bill and also SC/ST bill. Both are important. If the shouting members can go back to their seat and keep quiet, we can take up this bill now itself. I thank Honorable LOP and Yechuri ji for assuring that they will cooperate in passing this bill. But I am only asking, if it is to be passed, if you agree, why not now? Why not now? Why not now?
सर
Why not now?
सर, हम लोगों ने पहले भी बताया है कि हम वचनबद्ध हैं जहां तक ये बिल का सवाल है। जिस तरह से बीजेपी के हाथों दलितों की हत्या की जा रही है और उनकी टांगें और बाजू काटे जा रहे हैं दलितों के, इसलिए हम चाहते हैं कि ये बिल पास हो जाए, उस पर चर्चा होगी, लेकिन इस दिन में नहीं पास हो सकता है। लेकिन आज उतना ही जरूरी इशू है कि अरुणाचल प्रदेश के अंदर स्पीकर को हटाने की साजिश और कांग्रेस की सरकार को गिराने की साजिश भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार की तरफ से गवर्नर को इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है, और इसी तरह से नॉन बीजेपी चीफ मिनिस्टरों को एक करके हटाने की साजिश चल रही है। जब तक इसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई नहीं होगी तब तक ये सदन की कार्रवाई भी ठीक तरह से चलना असंभव है।
हर दिन एक ऐसे नॉन इशू का इशू बना करके ये हाउस में आते हैं और हाउस में आने के बाद
I am not able to hear anything.
हो जाते हैं। जब इनको खुद इनके एमएलए इनसे नहीं संभल रहे हैं तो हमारे ऊपर क्यों आरोप लगा रहे हैं? I have already done it.
Yeah.
You have already admitted the whistleblowers bill.
Yeah.
So it's all right. We are ready.
First that will be taken.
Sir, we are ready.
Yeah.
Sir, we are ready.
If it is, yes, I go by this list.
Sir, I
go by this list.
No, therefore, sir.
But
sir,
if the house is not in order, what can I do?
We are ready for whistleblowers. No problem.
I tell you, I go by this list.
Correct.
But if the house is in pandemonium, what do I do?
I agree.
What do I do? I think I will have to.
Whistleblower is available.
Whistleblower is here. Yes. Whistleblower shall be taken.
Start discussion.
I am ready to take whistleblower bill. If all of you go to your seat. Yeah.
No bahana, sir.
The government's actions outside the house are setting the agenda for inside the house. That is the problem.
So, no point in saying all this. I am going to adjourn the house.
Government outside the house
No use.
are dictating the agenda in the house.
No use.
It is their
No use debating it.
That's not our responsibility.
These are the bahana.
Okay.
Only bahana.
The house stands adjourned up to 3 p.m.
Bahana and bahana.
Up to 3 p.m.